As the head of Catholic schools, I'm deeply conscious of what a privilege it is to work with our students, families, and our staff to promote faith and learning in our community each and every day. Our Catholic Schools Week theme, Encounter, Journeying Together, reminds us that we are called to be Easter people, those who are committed to building joy-filled communities, constantly seeking unity and belonging. Our theme this year calls us to accompany others along the road, meeting them where they're at. As Pope Francis remarks, to accompany others is a sacred task. It is intimate and intentional. It is more dynamic and life-changing. This is just like Jesus, who encounters his disciples on the way to Emmaus and walks alongside them and listens to them deeply. He doesn't just talk to them at a distance, he meets them and encounters them. As we journey together, may we truly honour the privileged gift of Catholic education as we celebrate together Catholic Schools Week.